Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Proficiency Decoded. This channel helps in decoding the layers of knowledge with ease. Proficiency Decoded brings structured, thoughtful explanations to every topic.
This video explains the role of AI drones in military usage. Artificial intelligence and drones are rapidly reshaping the landscape of modern warfare. From stealthy surveillance to precision strikes and complex logistics, these flying robots, sometimes called unmanned aerial vehicles, are at the forefront of technological change in military strategy. AI drones already shape the conflicts of today and will define the wars of tomorrow. They offer unprecedented capabilities, intelligence, agility, and precision while presenting sobering risks ranging from accidental escalation to unresolved ethical dilemmas. Their growing presence forces militaries, policymakers, and societies to confront new realities and develop innovative solutions. In this video, I will first explain about what are drones and what are AI drones. Next, I will be focusing on the roles of AI drones in modern militaries, followed by the strategic advantages and the challenges of AI drones, and lastly explain about the future of AI drones in warfare. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, are pilotless aircraft used for many tasks. Conventional drones must be manually flown by a human pilot. Its activities such as maneuverability and flight path are controlled manually by pilot. Drones have evolved from military applications to diverse uses in various industries, including agriculture, surveillance, delivery, and photography. Advancements in drone technology are leading to smaller, smarter, and more affordable drones with wider applications. An AI-powered drone adds onboard intelligence, so it can analyze its environment and make decisions without direct human control. They are UAVs equipped with artificial intelligence, like computer vision and machine learning, that lets them act autonomously. AI drones can follow programmed rules or learn from data to avoid obstacles, track targets, or even replan flights on the fly. AI-enabled drones leverage machine learning and advanced sensors to analyze data, make decisions, and sometimes even act without direct human input. For example, AI drones can spot a person or vehicle in camera images and decide where to go, whereas a standard drone could only respond to manual commands. In practice, this means AI drones can perform complex missions such as autonomous navigation through hostile or unfamiliar environments, real-time surveillance and reconnaissance with instant threat detection, precision targeting for in-depth analysis and strike capabilities. How AI drones operate. The AI-powered drones uses sophisticated onboard systems, like cameras, radar, infrared sensors, and communication networks, to collect data from their environment. These streams of data are processed rapidly using machine learning algorithms. The AI interprets movement on the ground, assesses threats, and, based on pre-programmed goals and permissions, can take action. Some of the key areas where the usage of AI drones are: autonomous navigation. Instead of waiting for human instructions, AI drones rapidly map terrain, avoid obstacles, and adapt their flight path on the fly. In hostile environments, this autonomy helps avoid threats and boosts mission success rates. Swarm intelligence. This lets groups of drones coordinate like a flock of birds. Hundreds or even thousands of small drones can share information and divide up tasks surrounding targets, overwhelming defenses, or scanning vast battlefields. Precision targeting. AI drones can recognize specific vehicles, buildings, or individuals and prioritize targets. They use data from previous missions to refine their aim and minimize civilian harm. Threat identification and evasion. AI analyzes visual and sensor data in real time, quickly identifying enemy positions and movements. Drones equipped with AI can autonomously dodge missiles, avoid anti-aircraft fire, or retreat when necessary. Military organizations are using AI drones for a variety of missions that go far beyond combat. Intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. This is the backbone of modern battlefield awareness. AI drones gather and transmit real-time video and sensor data, often in territories too dangerous for manned patrols. Drones provide 24/7 surveillance, identify threats, and help direct troops safely. Example: U.S. forces and their allies have used drones extensively for intelligence gathering in Afghanistan. With high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones monitored insurgent movement, supported tactical planning, and helped reduce risks to soldiers. Precision strikes. Armed drones use onboard AI to lock on and neutralize high-value targets like terrorist leaders or key infrastructure with minimal collateral damage. The U.S. military's MQ-9 Reaper, for example, performed precision strikes in the Middle East and beyond. Indian military operations have increasingly relied on intelligent drones like the Harp and Heron, capable of loitering over an area, analyzing threats, and making strike decisions based on real-time AI-assessed priorities. Electronic and cyber warfare. Some advanced drones don't carry weapons, rather they carry sensors to jam enemy radar, disrupt communications, or detect cyber threats. AI helps these specialist drones adapt quickly, making digital battlefields as dynamic as physical ones. Logistics and supply chain management. AI algorithms guide drones in delivering ammunition, medical supplies, or food to remote or dangerous areas. This reduces risks for supply convoys and ensures frontline troops get resources on time, even in challenging terrain. Training and simulation. Military forces use AI-driven drones to create realistic training environments for soldiers, maximizing readiness and response times without risking lives or costly equipment. AI-driven drones are not science fiction, they are active participants in conflicts around the world. Some recent real-world examples. In Russia-Ukraine war, both sides employed swarms of small AI-enabled drones for reconnaissance, targeting, and even kamikaze attacks on enemy infrastructure. Their cost-effectiveness and flexibility changed the pace of operations. Israel and Hamas used autonomous drones for surveillance, loitering strikes, and disrupting enemy communications, reshaping asymmetrical warfare. Recently, the Indian Army has implemented AI-powered drones for surveillance, logistics, and for strengthening cybersecurity. Iran's Mohajer-6 drones have been used for monitoring sea lanes, spotting enemy ships, or delivering attacks at sea. Have been used in the Persian Gulf to monitor U.S. Navy ships and could be armed with anti-ship missiles. Reduced risk to human life. By taking on hazardous missions, AI drones keep soldiers out of direct harm, especially in dangerous or unclear combat zones. Cost efficiency. Unmanned systems are typically cheaper to build, maintain, and operate than manned aircraft. For example, the MQ-9 Reaper costs much less than a typical fighter jet. 24/7 operations. AI drones don't get tired, they can carry out missions day and night, providing constant surveillance and rapid strike capabilities. Enhanced tactical flexibility. From gathering intelligence to delivering supplies or launching hits, AI drones allow commanders to adapt tactics in real time as situations evolve. Multitasking and coordination. Swarm technology permits groups of drones to scout, relay information, and carry out attacks simultaneously, overwhelming more traditional defense systems. Better decision-making. AI can process vast amounts of data quickly, offering military leaders actionable insights for making informed, rapid decisions in fast-changing situations. The challenges and limitations of AI drones. While the promise of AI drones is enormous, their integration into the military also brings serious challenges. Counter-drone technology. Enemies are developing electronic jammers, laser systems, and their own drones to intercept or destroy incoming UAVs. The drone versus drone arms race is accelerating. Reliability and vulnerabilities. Glitches in AI algorithms, hardware failures, or cyber attacks on drones' control systems may lead to mission failures or, worse, friendly fire incidents. Logistical and environmental hurdles. Adverse weather, rough terrain, or urban environments can interfere with drone operations. While AI is improving, unexpected obstacles can limit effectiveness. Escalation and miscalculation. Autonomous drones may inadvertently trigger broader conflict if their actions are misread by opposing forces or if malfunctions occur. Military experts widely believe that AI drones will continue to play a transformative and rapidly expanding role in future conflict. Some of the anticipated developments include miniaturization. Smaller, cheaper, and more numerous autonomous drones could dominate future battlefields. As technology improves, drones will operate with less human intervention and more independence. Integrated defense systems. AI will also be used to counter enemy drones in a technological arms race between attackers and defenders. Legal and regulatory frameworks. International efforts are underway to develop laws and treaties governing autonomous weapons to prevent misuse and ensure accountability. Civilian applications. Lessons from military AI drone use are likely to inform and accelerate the adoption of autonomous UAVs in civilian domains, such as disaster response and border security.
Thank you for your time and support. Please subscribe to my channel for such informative and explanatory videos on different topics.